couldn't.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we're talking. Yo, what up guys? It is Kade Speiser here. I have my ThreadBeast box that I'm gonna be unboxing right now for you guys. From what I've heard, there's some super fire items in here. So let's see what we have going here. Come on, bro. They knew I was born in the 90s. Like Garfield tee right now. But this is fire. I like this. Some swim shorts, dude. Take me back to Italy. This is perfect when these clothes just show up for me because I'm always like traveling. So when I get to come home and I just have a box of like new threads, pun intended. Oh, we got the Steezy long tee. Feel this? You feel it? Their shoes? Sick right now. Champion. Fire. It's like sweatpant material. Boxers right now. Some American flag socks and their stance. Ooh, my favorite color. They know me so well. Last but not least, some frames I will definitely set until next month.